The fact of the matter is that no one disputes the fact that Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem. No one disputes the fact that Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. Nobody disputes the fact that Gautam Buddha was born at Lumbini in modern day Nepal. Nobody disputes the fact that the founder of Zoroastrianism was born in eastern Persia, modern Iran. Nobody disputes the fact that Mahavir Jain, the greatest Jain ever, was born at Kundagram in modern Vaishali near Bihar. But पूरा का पूरा कायनात, पूरा का पूरा दरबारी ecosystem is held on lecturing the BJP and the entire right-wing ecosystem that, you know what, we are not sure whether, you know, Prabhu Ram was actually born in India. Prabhu Ram तो शायद मुसलमान थे. You know, Krishna Janmabhoomi, you know, और मथुरा का भला connection क्या है? You know, these are the kind of later questions that are posed to us only because they're tolerant by choice. We are not tolerant because somebody has a gun to our head. It's high time the other side gets that loud and clear. But I'll just end very quickly by saying one thing. Krishna Bharwar, Dhruv Tyagi, Neeraj Prajapati, Mukesh Soni, Kamlesh Tiwari, Prashant Pujari, Ankit Saxena, Ratan Lal, Bharat Yadav, Subodh Singh, Tikalal Taplu, Girija Tikku, Justice Neelkant Ganju, B.K. Ganju, Rajesh Kumar, Nikita Tomar, Rahul Rajput, Rahul Solanki, Dilbar Negi, V. Ramalingam. In सब के बीच में what is common? These are all people who were slaughtered and butchered or shot at gunpoint by radical Islamists.
Okay.
And I'm sick and tired of hearing from the other side. Each time a Hindu, you know, finds himself given in to the sword, these people say, "Arey bhai, terrorism has no religion, terrorism has no name. Please don't start spreading hate. Please learn to be."
Okay, but religion is all that one sees. Mr. Mandal, I know you want to come in. I quickly want to bring in Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, pollution में भी religion दिखाई देता है. What kind of a चश्मा is this? ये कहाँ मिलता है ये चश्मा कि ये pollution में भी आपको religion का angle दिखाई दे जाता है? कि अगर pollution की बात हो रही है तो there is a समाजवादी party MP who says burning bodies also leads to pollution. होलिका दहन also leads to pollution. अब क्या last rites भी perform करने नहीं देंगे?
I think that statement is too far-fetched and that does not have to do anything with the pollution here. But this is a fact that during the festival of Diwali, burning the firecrackers will definitely add to the pollution.
Only during Diwali.
And if somebody stops it, it must be stopped. And
only
see, it is because you have intensity is more.
No, the problem is you don't highlight the real issue. The issue at hand की क्रैकर्स दिक्कत है, बट क्रैकर्स दिवाली में दिक्कत है, होलिका दहन होली में दिक्कत है, burning of the bodies. You see religion in two things, sir. I am not bringing religion. That man was talking about pollution and all of a sudden he went into the last rites performed by Hindus. Who's bringing religion? You tell me.
I am telling it is a far-fetched one. It's a far-fetched statement. It does not happen. Burning body does not add to pollution anyway. This is a stupid statement.
It is.
But
no,
it is
that's what I'm saying. You simplify everything. Ravi Srivastava, you don't believe in it. Great. You've taken a very good stand today. Very balanced, very neutral. But this is not stupid, sir. This is not stupid. That you choose to see certain things and ignore others. That's not stupid. That's a very clear vision of what you want to see. Mr. Mondal, then Subhrashta.
No, I think when you talk about slaughtering of the people, whether Hindus and Muslims, it is happening under the nose of BJP now. It happened in Delhi just 1 month ago. 12 people were brutally killed. If you talk about radical Islamists, they are the radical Islamists. You can't save the people. It happened in Pahalgam. We have seen, all know what happened. You can't. Both the states are run by you. Whether Delhi or Jammu and Kashmir, you run them. You talk about the rights of the Hindus. 12 lakh Hindus are still suffering in Assam detention camp. You run the state in Assam. So when you talk about the rights and protection of the Hindus, you have failed.
Okay.
You have failed us. That's what I'm saying again and again. Let us lay bare the hypocrisy of BJP for their fake fake love for Hindus.
Okay.
They don't. They only love their self-serving opportunism. The very idea of Hinduism and the very idea of Lord Rama
Okay.
is a weapon for them to
Okay.
exploit and fool people for the time being,
Okay.
not for the eternity.